Hi guys, thank you so much for joining me today on my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I wash and style my wigs. So yeah, let's get started. Starting off, make sure your water temperature is at warm and not cold. We really can't get dirt out of a wig with cold water. Make sure that when you're washing the wig, you're not holding the wig by the lace. Make sure you're holding the wig at the base, just like I'm showing in the video. Try not to pull your wig, your lace when you're washing your wig, guys. Be as gentle as possible. As you can see, I purposely left this part not sped up because I wanted to show you guys that you can still get a clean wig without scrubbing it very hard. Just be gentle. Make sure that you're not, you can see throughout me washing the wig, I'm not leaving, I'm not holding my wig in another place. My left hand still remain by the base of the wig. I'm not pulling it, I'm not dropping and picking it up in random places. Make sure that you have your left hand by the base when you're rinsing it, just like I'm doing in the video. When you're rinsing it, make sure that you're not just dropping the wig and picking it up at random places. When you do that, you're going to risk your wig either tangling or you pulling the hair from the lace. By the time you're done with the wig, by the time the wig is washed, you will realize that your lace is pretty much bald. Here I'm just applying the conditioner. This is where you might want to go in with a deep treatment if you feel like your wig is dry, or maybe you feel like your wig need an additional moisture. But for this purpose of this video, I'm just gonna stick to a regular conditioner. So yeah, I'm just doing that. So make sure that even when you're brushing your wig, you are not picking it up again at random places. Try not to do that, guys. The best way for you to achieve the best results is if your left hand is holding the wig at the top by the base, not on the lace, and you're not holding the wig by strings of hair as well. If you're right-handed, you can go ahead and use your right hand to hold the wig by the base. So anyway, you get the picture now. So right here, I'm just rinsing it out. Make sure that you're rinsing it out with cold water, as cold as your hand can take. Make sure you're not using warm water or anything like that. You're rinsing it with cold water. Rinse it thoroughly. I can't stress this part enough. If you leave excess conditioner on your wig, guys, your wig will be limp and greasy. Nobody wants that. I'm sure you don't want that. So make sure that you rinse your wig as much as you can. As you can see in the video, I'm rinsing, and when I thought I was done with rinsing, I put on the tap again and I kept rinsing. Basically, you want to keep rinsing till the water is crystal clear. Keep rinsing till the water is crystal clear, guys. So yeah. Right now, we are basically done with washing the wig. Put your wig in the middle of a clean towel, just like I'm showing you guys in the video, and basically squeeze as much as you can. This is the best way I find that you can get the excess water out without really disrupting the wig. Right here, apply a little bit of serum and get a wide tooth comb. as big as possible. Don't use a brush, guys. Don't use a brush. Don't use a paddle brush. It's gonna pull your wig because your wig is delicate when it's wet. So get a wide tooth comb and start from the tips and work your way up to the top of the wig. And as you can see right there, I'm just turning the wig. That's the back of the wig, and I'm making sure I detangle as well. So our wig is ready to be air dried right now. The wig is I'd say about 80 to 90% dry at this point. So I just went in with a blow dryer and a brush. Now I can use a brush because my wig is dry. If you're really looking for your wig styles to last, without having to, restyling your wig every time, washing it and restyling it, try not to use too much wax. Okay? Dial down the wax. Just dial it down a bit. With hot combs, you have to make sure that you are staying away from the lace as much as you can, and try not to hold the comb in one place for too long. If you do this, you'll risk putting holes in your lace. Now for the styling. This part is really self-explanatory. Make sure that you're just wrapping your hair around the wand. Keep the wand as tight as tight to the hair as possible. That way you're not leaving any room for you're getting the heat basically to penetrate the hair properly. So just hold it in there like that for a couple of seconds. I'll say about 5 to 10 seconds. And drop the hair on your palm. Don't just pull the iron out. If you do that, your curls might drop immediately, depending on the quality of your hair. So yeah, just hold it down, get a pin and just pin it down just like that. I'm going to make sure to leave a link of all the products I used in this video at the description section, so make sure you guys check that out. Starting from the shampoo, the conditioner, the serum, the hairspray I'm using, its protectors, even the wig tripod as well. I'm going to leave the list of everything I use in this video, so please click that section and have a look at it. I would usually let my curls sit in for about an hour or two, sometimes even overnight. Really depends on my mood. So yeah, that is our wig all washed and styled. get a white tooth comb and comb out the curls just like that. So yeah, there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you stay to the end of the video, please subscribe, like this video, and share to your friends. And yeah, I will definitely see you in my next video. Bye.